Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We'll be looking at the top 5 best products that you can buy this year. Through extensive research and testing, we put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether the price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the product price, we've included links in the description box down below. So, let's begin.
Here we present the 5 best spray wax. Let's get started with the list. Number 1. Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Wax. We are huge fans of Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Wax ever since it arrived on the market. Featuring advanced silicon oxide hybrid technology, this spray wax delivers ceramic wax protection with an easy-to-apply method. After giving your car a thorough wash and rinse, you simply spray on the ceramic wax, rinse it off with water, and then dry your car. That means no rubbing, curing, or buffing, and best of all, you don't have to worry about any sort of mess being left behind. Ceramic wax protection has become popular in recent years, and more car care companies have begun to offer hybrid ceramic detailing products. Number 2. CarGuys Hybrid Wax. CarGuys Hybrid Wax is a spray sealant infused with traditional carnauba wax. Formulated for safe application on every surface of your vehicle, this spray wax won't leave behind any residue or streaks. What it will leave behind, however, is long-lasting UV protection and a hydrophobic barrier to keep water beating off your car's surface for months. CarGuys Hybrid Wax comes in a bottle featuring a professional-grade sprayer with a fully adjustable nozzle. The slim neck makes the bottle easy to hold, while the wider base helps to prevent accidental tipping. Number 3. Griot's Garage Best of Show Spray Wax. For long-lasting protection, turn to Griot's Garage's Best of Show Spray Wax. The company claims this spray wax offers 2 to 3 times the durability of other spray waxes, infused with rich carnauba wax and unique polymers. In fact, the Best of Show Spray Wax has the highest carnauba content out of all of Griot's Garage's spray waxes. This is a great product to use if you've already spent the time putting down a layer of wax or sealant on your car. Regular use of this spray wax will help extend the lifespan of any existing wax or sealant. Number 4. Turtle Wax Eye Spray Wax. Another well-known and popular brand in the car care industry, Turtle Wax offers several different spray waxes. If we had to pick one, however, it would be the company's Eye Spray Wax, fortified with Smart Shield polymers to offer long-lasting protection. This is the spray wax to get if you have the time to use it after every wash, providing exceptional water beating and UV protection. It's formulated to safely work on all exterior surfaces of your car, including plastic and rubber trim. You can even use it on your glass to give your windshield and windows a layer of protection against water. Number 5. Adams Polishes Spray Wax. Adams Polishes has always been a favorite among hardcore detailing enthusiasts, but the company's products are now more mainstream and popular with general consumers. Its spray wax is infused with carnauba flakes and is safe to use on paint, glass, chrome, fiberglass, plastic, aluminum, and vinyl. In other words, all exterior surfaces of your car can get a nice coat of Adams spray wax for protection. Spray on a coat after washing your car, extending the life of any current protection you have applied. You can even use this on wet or dry surfaces.
Thanks for watching, guys. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos.